splashes watered playfully. Blue letter B dances under tall forest trees. A big brown bear shares sweet honey with B. Pink letter C skips across the sunny garden path. A fluffy cat chases butter loaves around C. Dog, yellow letter D throws a shiny red ball. A happy dog runs fast to catch it. The elephant. Green letter E laps under the hot sun. A giant elephant sprays cool water over E. Oh. Orange letter F tiptoes through autumn leaves. A clever fox peeks from behind a tree. Giraffe. Yellow letter G waves at the tall giraffe. The giraffe eats leaves from the highest branch. Oh! Brown letter H gallops across the meadow. A horse runs beside H with flowing mane. Iguana. Teal letter I sits on a warm sunny rock. A green iguana slowly climbs up. J. Jellyfish. Purple letter J floats under the blue sea. Glowing jellyfish drift gently around J. Ooh. Red letter K hops along the grassy hill. A kangaroo bounces with her joey peeking out. L. Golden letter L stands proudly on a rock. A lion roars loudly beside L. Orange letter M swings on a jungle vine. A monkey flips and giggles with M. N. Nightingale. Blue letter N listens in the early morning light. A nightingale sings a sweet melody. Oh! Purple letter O sits under the moonlight. An owl hoots softly in the night sky. Ooh. White letter P waddles across the icy ground. Penguins slide down snowy slopes nearby. Q. Quail. Green letter Q walks through tall golden grass. Quail chicks follow close behind. Rabbit. Pink letter R hops across the carrot patch. A white rabbit munches happily. Yellow letter S slides through the jungle floor. A green snake curls playfully around. Tiggy, tiger. Orange letter T hides behind thick bushes. A tiger peeks out with bright eyes. Urchin. Blue letter U dives deep into the sea. A spiky sea urchin hides among rocks. V. Vulture. Brown letter V stands high on a cliff. A vulture soars in the clear sky. W. Navy letter W rides the ocean waves. A whale splashes water high into the air. X. X-ray fish. Silver letter X swims in crystal water. X-ray fish glow as they pass by. Yak! White letter Y walks in snowy mountains. A woolly yak follows close behind. Z. Zebra. Black and white letter Z runs across the savanna. Zebras gallop joyfully in the grass.